Microsoft's new Windows terminal is kind of amazing. It has combined all the stuff: PowerShell, CMD, Azure, and anything that is connected with Cisco stuff. So basically, it is a combination of all of them. So the current version of the the Windows terminal is version 1.2, and then the preview version will be 1.2.3. Now, currently, what it has this feature, you can have a look here. It has multiple tabs, full Unicode support, GPU accelerated task rendering, and the other stuff. So basically you have to download it from the Windows terminal, Windows store. Now there is a basic requirement for this. If you want to install this, you can have a look here: installing and running Windows terminal according to GitHub's Microsoft terminal. So you can have a look here. It's saying that Windows terminal requires Windows 10, 19 or 3, build 18362 or later. Now this is the only requirement. Now if older versions, then if you are using an older version of Windows 10, then you are not able to use it. So the very first thing is that to download it, you have to just search it inside the Microsoft store. Then you will have to download it this way. Also, those guys who do not have access to Windows Store, Microsoft Store, there are other stuff via GitHub. You can download it also manually. So for that, is saying that be sure to install the desktop bridge, VC, and the other stuff. And now they can also download via Windows Package Manager, and then this stuff. So you can have a look at these or all the stuff which you can use to download the Windows terminal easily on your computer. So let's go ahead and see what is this thing. So just launch CMD. This is the basic CMD. You can have a look. It is written command prompt and the older version since the early days of Microsoft. How about PowerShell, which is basically the other project of Microsoft? So if you click open, you see there is nothing special about it, especially all the stuff. So now if I have to open up the Windows terminal, now you can have a look here. By default, it is opening the Windows PowerShell. If I have to click on the plus icon, which is basically the new tab, it's again opening PowerShell. Now to open command prompt on AzureShell, just click on this arrow down. So you can have a look at, there will be command prompt and then AzureShell, uh, fix it. So basically, Microsoft's new Windows terminal is kind of amazing. Uh, those who are using Cisco PD, whatever the stuff that is, now whenever they install this one or whenever they are trying to use Genius 3, I don't know, whatever that thing is, they can configure it with this Windows terminal. So basically it is the new updated version of the Windows terminal is kind of good compared to the Windows terminal which was basically released early days, and its size was also a lot. So this is the new Microsoft terminal which is kind of good. Just go ahead and enjoy using the new Windows terminal. The size is only 7 MB, not too much. I'll see you in the next video.